Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video. In this video we're going to show you how to open and get the best out of your demo account. First we need to open a demo trading account by visiting blueberrymarkets.com. Select open demo account. Here you can register for a demo account. Once you have downloaded Metatrader5 and followed the instructions on the email, log into your trading account and we can move on to the platform. A demo account is important for a beginner trader as it allows you to learn how to use your trading software. Not only this, but you can practice multiple entry types, strategies and tools before going into a live market environment. The best thing about a demo account is that it is absolutely free and it will cost you nothing to practice and learn in the markets. Let's get you familiar with some of your trading tools. Firstly, we're using the Metatrader5 Platform. This is a free piece of software which we can download from the Blueberry Markets website. To log into your demo account, go to File and select Login to Trade Account. Once logged in, you can go ahead and create your first template. Right click on the chart, select Properties. This will allow you to change your chart settings. Here is ours. You can pause the video and note these down. The most important part of trading is how you enter and exit the market. If we click New Order, here we can see our trading options. Here we can test, limit and stop orders and live executions. To change order types, simply select the drop down menu on type and select pending order. We then use the second type option to show which type of order you can use for your strategy. To view your trade terminal, go to View, move down to Toolbox. Here you can view your open positions, closed positions and account balance. You can also manage trades from this position. To get some ideas on what markets to watch, you can visit our YouTube channel where we give you daily updates on the markets. You can also join our free Telegram channel to see regular trading updates. Thanks for watching this Blueberry Markets video.